Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have this Eid look for you guys. It's very soft glowy glam for you. You can wear it in day, you can wear it in night. You just have to switch lipstick with it. I'm using this nude lipstick. You can go for red or maybe orange, whatever suits you. So this is soft glowy glam that I love, and I hope you do too. And if you do, keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this Maybelline lip balm in shade Candy, I think, and I tell you, it smells delicious. After this, I'm going to correct my pigmentation with this orange corrector from Kryolan. I have finished it, but I'm going to take it till the end. After that, I'm going to use this infallible foundation in the shade I don't remember. I will link it in the description box. And I'm blending it with this PAC foundation. If you want affordable foundation, not foundation actually, sponge, then go for this PAC sponge, makeup sponge. It's the best. After this, I'm going to highlight my face. I'm using this Maybelline eraser concealer. It's, I think, one shade lighter than my foundation, and I just love it because it gives that airbrush finish to my base. I just love it. Just blending it with this same sponge that I love, and you should buy it too. Not a sponsored video, guys, not a sponsored video. After that, I'm using this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact in the shade Coral, and brown girls, you can use it as a highlighting compact to set your highlighted areas. It has only 3 shades, I know, but you can use it for highlighted areas. After that, I'm going to take this Tropical Vacation from Focalier, and I'm using a brown shade right over here, you can see here, as a crease color. It will be a very good transitioning color for my eyes, and I'm using it and blending it with this dome shaped brush, as you can see right here, in a sweeping motion. After this, I've taken a smaller brush and have taken this shade right over here, and I'm going to put it right under that brown color. It's a more chocolate coffee color, and I think it will be a great transitioning shade for my eyes for this look. After blending it all out, I'm going to use this champagne color on my eyelids. I'm using my fingers only because I think these colors pay off much better than on fingers rather than brushes. So I'm going to use my fingers only. I'm just lathering on colors one eye at a time. I'm using this flatter brush now to give a little bit of color to my under eyes, so that it can give that smoky effect to my all makeup, and it will just bind all the makeup together. After that, I'm doing my eyebrows, and for eyebrows I have taken the same palette, and my throat is just killing me right now. For my eyebrows, I have taken the same palette and the chocolate brown shade, and I'm just doing it with the same brush that came in with it. For contouring, I'm using this Nika K contouring trio, and I'm contouring my face with it. I think it's a very affordable trio. If you want to invest for contouring and your budget is not that much, you can invest in it. And also Wet n Wild have that compact plus contouring powder kit. You can invest in that too. I'm just blending it and contouring side by side. I'm contouring my forehead too, to make it look a little smaller because I have a big forehead. Right here, I'm choosing which highlighter to use because I'm using the same palette as a multitasking thing. So I'm using this golden champagne color on my cheekbones, my cupid bow, my chin, and my nose bridge. I think यही बोलते हैं इसे, nose bridge. And I just love how it turned out. It was such a great highlighter color. I just loved it. I'm going to use it in the future also. From the same palette, the Tropical Vacation palette, I'm going to use this maroon color as my blush. I think it paid off very good. I just loved it. I'm using this mascara from Maybelline Hyper Curl. I was in the mood to put some eye falsies, but my eyes was becoming a little watery since morning. That's why I didn't use any falsie, because I knew कि और छेड़ा तो पानी ही पानी बने लगेगा और उसके बाद तो मेकअप गया पानी में. After my eyelashes are done, I'm going to use this lipstick from Fashion View. I think I got it from Madangir market. It's one of the cheapest lipsticks but the best. I'm using it, but I thought कि थोड़ा dark है मेरे makeup के लिए, so I'm using this Blue Heaven liquid lipstick. If you want some affordable and cheap lipstick, you should get this. It got me a perfect nude for my skin, and here is the final look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Also comment down below any video requests that you have, and I love you all. Till then, enjoy my poses and I'll be back.